Okay, this is the third attempt, or no, fourth attempt, sort of, from Amazon. So I had recently ordered a Champions Path Elite Trainer box from them, and it was clearly resealed. So they sent me a replacement, supposed to be a new replacement, supposedly. So we're going to find out if it's actually a new replacement. So I just got home, just now opening this up. We'll find out. So yay, at least I got something sealed in today. Some Darkness Ablaze booster packs. Didn't really have many of those, so it's like I need to get some of those in. So I managed to get a couple. Alright, so let's check this bad boy out. Got a lot of bubble wrap. Is this another? Jesus Christ. Alright, well, it says it has a second life, thanks to me. So let's see if it's, sorry, the way this thing is, yeah, so I've never opened it, obviously. So let's find out if we're going to be sending this bad boy back too. So I gotta get this off, because we don't want any, resealed packs. This thing's honestly not in very good condition. Holy shit. It's actually like been ripped up right there too. Alright, well, whoever did this doesn't even know how to open this thing. So, terribly done. It's upside down. There's like, oh jeez. This is horrible. This is way worse than the last one. This person didn't even take care. Hold on. I gotta set this down for a minute. So, Darkness Ablaze happening. It's all stuck. I don't know why it's stuck on the inside. Like somebody taped it or something. I don't know. This thing's just a mess. This thing's just like a mess. Okay, well, there's that. So, I do not have high hopes for this already. Like, this is horrible. I do not have high hopes at all right now. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this upside down. It's easier to keep everything in place for the most part. I do not have high hopes for this at all. Oh, Christ. Look at this. They're already opened. They're already, like, the person didn't even try to reseal them. Like, this is horrible. Not even, look, they didn't even attempt it. It's just, like, straight up open, dude. This is horrible. Like, at this point, unless I can just get straight up, get a, like, a new, confirmed new replacement, I'm not even gonna bother, dude. Like, I want my money back. Like, this is pathetic. This is just nasty. This is just sad. Sad. This is absolutely sad. How many times do I have to do this? God damn. This is so pathetic. Alright, well, this is going back. Freaking, dude, Amazon, please. You're killing me here. You're killing me. They even, like, left something else out, I think. I don't know. Whatever, dude. So, yeah, wow. There you have it. Darkness Ablaze, or not Darkness Ablaze, sorry. Champions Path. This was supposed to be the replacement. Horrible. I even told them, hey, if you can confirm it hasn't been opened, go ahead and send me one. Clearly was not confirmed. It's horrible. Just absolutely horrible. This is going to be going back too now, so. Like, I just want, unless they promise me a new replacement, I'm like, no, I'm like, nope, I'm not even gonna, or something, you know, unless they can 100% confirm it. But yeah. So, yeah, there you go. Don't buy from Amazon Warehouse. No, or at least don't buy Pokemon cards from Amazon Warehouse. It's just not worth it. If they're new, like these, sure, go ahead and buy them. Amazon Warehouse? No, fuck that shit.